Hi people, how are you? कितने Wednesday I missed you because I was just celebrating my me time. तो आज मैंने सोचा no आज time हो जाना चाहिए. Okay guys. So yeah, since it is March, February में I have witnessed such a beautiful thing that I really wanted to share it with you guys. So there's this National School of Drama, NSD. I mean, I've been going BRM since ages, but this time it just felt a little different and really wild and beautiful. Now, why? Because also I have been a little bit more independent in terms of going and seeing and all. So maybe that's why. But BRM हमेशा बहुत अच्छा होता है. But अगर आपको पता नहीं है what I'm talking about, give me a moment. I'll tell you what. So NSD is like a hub for theater artists, like motamoti, for engineers it is IITs, for doctors it is AIMS, like this. For theater artists it is NSD, right? If you get into NSD, you get into movies and you actually become the best artist from there. Best theatre artist, best in any field, like whatever you choose there, you will become the best one. That's what NSD stands for, National School of Drama, that is in Delhi. So इसका ना हर साल एक वो होता है theatre festival, okay, that is called Bharat Mahotsav, and every year it happens. It is like one of the biggest international festival that happen, theatre international festival, okay. So बहुत सारे ऐसे होता है कि बाहर से फॉरेन कंट्री से थिएटर आर्टिस्ट आते हैं यहाँ परफॉर्म करने के लिए, फिर इंडिया से जाते हैं, कुछ इंडिया में भी होता है बहुत सारे शोज. सो दैट्स हाउ इट इज गोज. ओके, सो BRM जो 2026 हुआ है Feb में, so I had witnessed there with my college friend and my theatre friend also. So technically I would say it was really fun for me. तो starting ऐसी होती है कि I have witnessed this two in BRM. I have seen this two beautiful theatre. The first one was Temptation and the second one was The Crossroad. Okay, so the Temptation was from त्रिपुरा के टाई होता है वहाँ से, जो त्रिपुरा में जो NSD होगी ना वहाँ से दिल्ली के NSD में आए थे to perform, and it was really beautiful, mind blowing. पता है the digital work they have done, perfect, like no comparison. It was all about the Temptation का जो main course था. It was all about how पहले ऐसे it was without digital age और अब कैसे digital हो गया है और अब आगे कैसे हो जाएगा, that maybe people forget about everything and एक कोई robot आएगा बोलने के लिए कि okay, command accepted, let's go to this tour, ये एक museum बन चुका है सारी चीजें. So that's how it was, and it was really beautiful. Like there was this beautiful robot. I mean, yeah, जैसे proper robot, like that person used to come and just say आपका स्वागत है, and full on in the robotic tone, the movement, the sound effect, everything was on point. When you see something live now, you feel really different, and you feel like you are into some kind of different world, big world. Okay, so that was good. I was awesome. Then the next I watched The Crossroad. Bro, that was the most uncomfortable feeling I had while watching that. It was something that is not making you feel comfortable talking about or maybe listening or about seeing stuff that is people tends to avoid it. It's not that people don't know about stuff, but people tends to avoid it, and how beautifully they have shown in. And एक घंटा कैसे निकल गया उसमें पता नहीं चला, like सीरियसली. एंड वो उन्होंने क्या ऐसे किया और एक पीक पे लेके चले गए, और उस पीक के बाद उन्होंने ना खत्म कर दिया वहीं पे. एंड जब वहां पे वो पीक पे लेके गए ना, वी थॉट कि अब कुछ आएगा, अब तो कुछ आना चाहिए, विदाउट इसके तो हमारा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. मतलब वी ऑल वर हुक्ड टू दैट, इतने हुक्ड हो गए थे कि जब वो खत्म हो गया ना, बोले क्यों खत्म हुआ ये. हाँ, and literally me and my friend, we both went to that cafeteria to have something and to discuss about that performance, that how it was. We were thinking to mail that director, please why don't you just make one more extra, one more scene, one extra. But that is what the beauty of that particular work, that it will make you hooked. And even though अभी तक मैंने जितनी films हुई, even though ये सब जो release हुआ है और इस पे देखा है, you will not feel that much hooked जितना मैं उसमें हो गई थी theater performances में. And it was very nice. Temptation was kind of fun. It was like, yeah, okay, cool, that's interesting. You can see some pictures, okay. And The Crossroad was really amazing. It was just doing their work, I feel like. मतलब एक होता है ना कि कला को uncomfortable करवा देता है, the truth और society वो दिखा देता है बहुत अच्छे तरीके से. And the way उन्होंने दिखाया, the way उन्होंने वो किया, and there was this suspense, there was this stress, there was this turning, mind blowing. I loved it. Okay, and then me and my friend went to this. What we had good amount of food, talking, shocking, ऐसे घूमना फिरना and all with Crossroad. After watching the Crossroad, and then we went to this NSD only, and then in night there used to be has this performance, cultural performance, where the old tribal people from all over India came and then they performed. Like each of the performance was like so mesmerizing. We all are just sitting, vibing on the music. They were playing, they were just performing. There was no such instrument thing कि अच्छा recorded बजेगा, नहीं भाई बांसुरी से people are just competing, एक बार बोले एक बार बोले. There was this beautiful outfits worn by beautiful people, and how beautifully they all have performed in a circular way. I would say me and my friend really had a good time after watching that crossword wala thing. Yeah, in when like we watched that cultural show, फिर हमने कुछ खाया पिया, and we got so many different flowers from there. Also the beautiful lilies. So ये था, that was really nice. हाँ, with Temptation I have watched with my college girlies, college diva people, and that was really nice. Also we had good food there, and classes manage करना, attendance देखना, timing, slotting, tickets and everything. It's kind of big amount of hustle that you go through, but once you go through with all those hustle, and when you come up and you see that performance, then you end up like, it is all worth it. It's all worth it. But the जो performance करते हैं ना, it's really different. It's really nice. And this was all about Bharangam that I have witnessed. It was really nice. If you guys missed, if you guys missed, like, you have no idea about this, it's okay. I have informed you guys, अगले साल एकदम ready रहना, Jan Feb में होता ही होता है, and you must watch it. मैंने तो हिंदी में देखा because my friends like they understand Hindi, so like comfortable होगा कि अच्छा क्या language समझने में, and of course मैं also एक थोड़ा सा हिंदी कंफर्ट हो जाती है ना समझने में. ओके, बट लास्ट ईयर भी मैंने देखा था, मैंने एक नेपाली शो देखा था, एंड आई गेस उड़िया शो देखी थी. आई डोंट रिमेंबर द नेम नाउ, बट दे वर रियली ब्यूटीफुल एंड अट्रैक्टिव. ओके, दे वर रियली नाइस परफॉर्मेंसेज एंड ऑल. अभी तो मैंने पिछले साल देखा कुछ ऐसा. सो दिस टाइम आई हैव प्लान हिंदी देखेंगे हम लोग सब मिलके ऐसे. बट यू गाइस कैन गो एंड वॉच सो मेनी शोज देयर. लाइक यू विल गेट इन इंग्लिश, हिंदी, उड़िया, पंजाबी. मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं हो सकते उसको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए, क्योंकि कभी कभार आप जब कुछ चीज़ें लाइव से देखते हो ना, आई कैन जस्ट ओनली कन्वे द मैसेज टू यू गाइस दैट हाउ इट फेल्ट, हाउ इट वाज. बट व्हाइल यू आर इन दैट मोमेंट ना, वो मोमेंट हम किसी भी वे में कभी भी इन द मीडिया, इन एनी फॉर्मेट, कोई भी अगर आपको ला के दे रहा है ना, वो फील नहीं आप कर सकते हो जो आप एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो वहाँ पे. as you must be knowing that experience is a new luxury, and just sitting on your bed and watching reels won't make you, won't give you any luxury experience. You have to go out and witness stuff. You have to get the different exposure. You have to meet different people to get that experience, to live life with the different types of perspective. But to get informed, of course, आप बैठ के देख सकते हो. लेकिन मैं भी देखी थी कि क्या हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है. एंड या ठीक है, सब चीज़ें अपनी जगह सही है, बट to experience the world class theater, it's really important that you go there to witness. And once you go there ना, आपको लत लग जाएगी. I am sure लत लग जाएगी. दिसंबर के बाद you will wait कि भाई Jan Feb तो BRM के नाम है, हम जाएंगे थिएटर देखने के लिए, बात खत्म, और कुछ होगा ही नहीं. वो आपका मंथली ऐसा स्लॉट बन जाएगा कि इसमें तो मुझे यहीं जाना है. एंड क्या कहते हैं, या सो वी वॉच दैट एंड इट वॉज रियली नाइस, ब्यूटीफुल. इट वॉज लाइक अ कटोरा. ठीक है, उस कटोरी में ना तुम सारी चीज़ें, सारे कल्चर, सारे फ्रूट्स ऐसे ऐड करो, मिक्स करो, खाओ. इट वॉज लाइक वाओ, व्हाट अ डिफरेंट, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग. एंड इट वॉज दैट टाइप ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस while watching that cultural dance and shows. So yeah, that was all about BRM. Then I also went to JNU. Okay, so there is this performance called Janak Nandini. It is in Maithili. Yes, my language, my mother tongue. And exactly, so people went there to perform. There's this Malayalam group. It is a theatre organization that performs in Hindi and Maithili. Basically, their work is in Maithili only. So they went there at JNU to perform. So I also went there to see it, and it was remarkable. It was really beautiful. And somehow I knew, क्योंकि मतलब मेलोड्रामा का शो है, तो सीटें तो सारी की सारी भरेंगी ही. तुम you can just mark my words. And you know what, I have this one video also जहाँ पे मैं से शूट कर रही हूँ, and somehow वो पूरे का पूरा ऐसे इन स्टार्टिंग पूरा ऑडिटोरियम खाली है. एंड देन आई जस्ट सेड कि मुझे पता है अभी पूरी की पूरी सीट भर जाएगी, एकदम खचा खच हो जाएगा, और मेरे पास है, मैं आपको दिखा दूंगी. वी आर हियर परफॉर्मिंग एट JNU Janak Nandini, and yeah, this is the खाली है अभी, but yeah, this is the technical working that is going on backstage, and after that you will see the full of show, and सारी चीज़ें एक एक सीट भरी में मिलेगी, because that's what Melodrama is. So see you.
संजीव हेलो.
एंड मार्क माई वर्ड्स, सब पूरा भर गया था. इट वॉज 7-8 PM और 8:30 PM स्टार्ट हुआ है, और वो पूरा 9:30 तक तो कुछ चला ही है शो. 1 hour 45 minutes से कुछ ऐसे शो चला है, और लोग बैठे रहे हैं, लोगों ने पूरा देखा है. एंड दे ऑल हैव नॉट जस्ट कि बस सीट पे, लोग नीचे नीचे तक फ्लोर पे बैठे हुए हैं. देयर वाज दिस वन प्रोफेसर, आफ्टर जब वो शो हो गया तब वो आई स्टेज पे टू फैसिलिटेट, टू अप्रिशिएट ऑल ऑफ अस. एंड देन एंड देन ही वेंट लाइक कि मुझे तो सीट ही नहीं मिली थी, मैं तो नीचे बैठा गया था। बाद में किसी बच्चे ने मुझे देखा तो कहा, अरे सर आ जाइए, आप बैठिए बैठिए, मैं बैठ जाता हूँ नीचे। सो दैट्स व्हाट द क्रेज इज फॉर द theater. And what Janak Nandini is all about is about Sita, the voice of Sita, how and what actually happened, and whatever it is the story that we never heard from the mouth of Sita. We have always witnessed the story from the other perspective, that what actually happened in the patriarchal domain of one segment. But we have never listened or understood what actually Sita was, what actually Sita wanted to say, what is her perspective, what is her storyline. Nobody even till this date know about it. The truth, the actual truth that people should know. And that's what Janak Nandini come up with it and they perform. So, and you know what? The great part, Janak Nandini got selected in BRM में भी हुआ था, तो I guess they went to this Assam. They went to Assam for their this performance, and it was a miracle. It was really beautiful there. It was a hit show. Then they also performed in this Triveni. It was there a hit show, and then they performed in JNU, hit show, and maybe Janak Nandini maybe can be in your city also, and you may get a chance to witness the truth from the Sita's perspective. So yeah, this was all I was just going through with the theater, the magical moments, and all of the different kinds of story. But guys, I really missed you all. I really missed you all, and that's why I'm here telling you everything, all what I had. And guess what? I'll be sharing you more and more now. And yeah, do subscribe it. And if you are new to this, I'm also new to this, by the way. So hi, people. I'm Manjusha, and yeah, you can subscribe, and we both can go into this beautiful journey where we both share each other's thought. If you have ever went to BRM or have witnessed theater or have any experience in theater, or you're an actor or whatever, you can share your story, a little bit of working, or anything that you wanted to share. Maybe sometimes we need a casting people, we can come up to you. Anyway, so yeah, this was all about, and do subscribe because it takes a lot of energy, patience, silence, and yeah, time to come up with everything and tell you. But yeah, I do really like telling you all and sharing you. So yeah, please just subscribe it and be with me, and we'll build a beautiful community together where we will have fun, success, and prosperity forever. So yeah, for now, bye bye, take care. We'll meet you soon, and see ya.